Hello, my friend. I will introduce our 130 series sliding door to you. The profile thickness is 2.0 millimeters, and surface treatment is PVDF quality black color. We also can make a white color, wooden color, etc. And the glass is double clear tempered glass. The thickness of the glass is 5 millimeters. This one is clear. We also can make the tinted glass, reflective glass, laminated glass, and low-E glass. So about the glass, we can customize according to your requirement. Let's go in. Look at the couple check. This one is the couple check. It's used in the interior room because we can go in and go out easily. So if you want this door to install exterior, we recommend to choose the high check because the high check with the waterproof. Okay, this one is the hardware. The hardware is the VBH brand. It's silver color. This hardware, this handle is single side handle. The outside one without it. And this handle, it can make the door smooth easily. Inside with the lock cord, outside with the lock key. And this one is transmission system with the 3 lock hook. It can make your door with the better security performance. So if you want to install this sliding door, we will recommend to choose it in your entrance door, your living door, and your patio door. If you enter this door, please contact us. Thank you.